Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, at Math Master, we are trying our level best to clear your concepts. So today I am going to start a conceptual theorem. ये एक ऐसा theorem है which is not going to be asked as a 4-mark proof in your exams. Generally in triangles chapter, which is the first chapter of geometry of standard 10th, 4 theorems always get repeated. 6.1, which is called the basic proportionality theorem. Theorem 6.6, ratios of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of corresponding sides. Theorem 6.8, Pythagoras theorem. And theorem 6.9, converse of Pythagoras theorem. So ये 4 ऐसे theorems हैं which are often asked in the exams और जिनके proof we need to remember, we need to write in the exams as a 4-mark question. But students, today's theorem is not a question which is going to be asked, but that is a base of exercise 6.5, and also this theorem will be useful to prove Pythagoras theorem. तो अगर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो इस थ्योरम के वीडियो को बहुत परफेक्टली देखिएगा एंड डू लेट मी नो हाउ यू फाइंड दिस. इन द टेक्स्ट बुक इस थ्योरम का प्रूफ नहीं दिया हुआ, बट इसके थ्योरम का प्रूफ बहुत ईजी है जो मैं इस वीडियो में आपको दिखाऊंगा. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, सो आई होप यू आर लाइकिंग आवर चैनल्स और आप सबने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दिया है and do share with your friends, right? So here we start theorem number 6.7, that is on page number 145 of standard 10th NCERT maths textbook. Here we go. So students, first let us focus on the question. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. What does it mean? It means that first of all it is written if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle. So let us draw. So here I have made a right angle triangle ABC. Now it is mentioned that if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle, so BM is the perpendicular. See in students, in textbook it is BD. So for your convenience मैं BD ही mention कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पे. So let BD be perpendicular to AC. Okay, angle D is 90 degree because it is perpendicular. Now see, after we draw the perpendicular, now we have two smaller triangles. The first one is triangle ADB. Second is triangle BDC. Students, please repeat after me. Triangle ADB and triangle BDC. These are the two smaller triangles which are formed after we draw the perpendicular. और ये whole triangle तो है ही ABC. Now in this theorem, it is said that if a perpendicular is drawn, then the triangles on both sides are similar to the whole triangle. It means that triangle ADB is similar to the whole triangle. Whole triangle means ABC. Then the triangle below the perpendicular is triangle BDC. That is also similar to the whole triangle. And to each other. To each other means these two triangles are similar to each other also. It means that triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. So these 3 things we need to prove. So ये हो गया हमारा to prove. Right? And what is given to you? It is given to you that triangle ABC, angle B is 90. It's a right angle triangle. And BD is perpendicular. Means BD is perpendicular to AC. Is it fine, students? So students, see in the textbook there is no proof, but the proof is very simple, right? So let's begin the proof. Students, first of all हमें prove करना है triangle ADB is similar to ट्राइंगल एबीसी। तो इसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट लेट अस राइट देयर नेम्स, ट्राइंगल एडीबी and triangle ABC. These two triangles name I have written. And now let us prove that these two triangles are similar using AA criteria. तो स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले ये चेक करिए, प्लीज एवरीबडी चेक, इन ट्राइंगल ADB and triangle ABC, is there a common angle which is common in both the triangles? So look at this A. So in triangle ADB and in triangle ABC, in both the triangles, angle A is common. So here I am mentioning that angle A equal to angle A, and in bracket I am mentioning common angle. Is it okay? Next, in triangle ADB, angle D is 90 degree. In triangle ADB, angle D is 90 degree. And in triangle ABC, which angle is 90? Yes, angle B is 90. So both are 90 degree. Hence, both the triangles, that is triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC according to AA. According to AA corollary, both the triangles are similar. Is it okay, students? Confirm? Let's go further. अब मैं चलता हूं ट्राइंगल BDC और ट्राइंगल ABC में, एंड लेट अस चेक वेदर दे आर सिमिलर और नॉट. सो फॉर ट्राइंगल BDC and triangle ABC, please check for these two triangles. First of all, please check triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Do you think angle C is a common angle? ट्राइंगल BDC में भी एंगल C है और ट्राइंगल ABC में भी एंगल C है. सो एंगल C इज अ कॉमन एंगल. What else? Now let's check triangle BDC में which angle is 90 degree. So in triangle BDC, angle D is 90 degree because BD is a perpendicular. So angle BDC is 90. And in the whole triangle ABC, which angle is 90? Obviously angle B. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर हो गए. रीजन आप सबको पता है, AA. So according to AA, both the triangles are similar. And because both the triangles, अभी हमारा जो first to prove है triangle ADB and triangle ABC, that we have done. Triangle BDC, triangle ABC, that also we have done. So from 1 and 2, we come to know that, what we come to know, कि triangle ADB triangle ABC के similar है, triangle BDC triangle ABC के similar है. Therefore, these two triangles are also similar to each other according to 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, these two triangles are also similar. स्टूडेंट्स याद है हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं, A इक्वल टू B, B इक्वल टू C, देयरफॉर A एंड C आर इक्वल. याद आया? सो इन द सेम वे ADB इज सिमिलर टू ABC, BDC इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू ABC. तो ये कॉमन है. सो फॉरगेट दिस. सो यू गेट ट्राइंगल ADB सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल BDC. Students, here we complete theorem 6.7. Once again I repeat, this theorem is going to be very, very useful to solve the sums and prove that of exercise 6.5. And at the same time, Pythagoras theorem prove करने के लिए ये theorem बहुत important है. Repeat. Perpendicular. Once you make the perpendicular, then the triangle above the perpendicular means ADB is similar to the whole triangle, that is ABC. Triangle below the perpendicular BDC is also similar to the whole triangle, and also these two triangles are similar to each other, means triangle ADB and triangle BDC are also similar to each other. Fine, students. So here we have completed theorem 6.7, and also we end this video. The next video is going to be very important for standard 10 students. It's going to be the Pythagoras theorem. So do subscribe the channel and click on the bell notification to get all the updates from Math Master. So right now it's time to say bye bye to all.